Best deals. 1. Spin mop and bucket set. The mop has a removable wringer that makes the cleaning and wringing process quick and easy. It ensures smoother wringing and provides an effortless cleaning experience. The mop handle is extendable with 360-degree movement, making it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach places. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Flat mop. Equips with ultra-fine microfiber pads, which made of mixed micro brush to efficiently pick up pet hair, dirt and grime with ease. The washable pad features extra absorbent function to remove excess water with no streaks, quick dry to protect wood floors. The freehand mop cuts your mopping time in half, just washing the lazy mop with wringer directly behind flowing water. Clean a large house with little time, then enjoy more happy leisure time. This long-handled dust mop can be used to clean hardwood, stone, tile, skirting, flooring and drywall. It is the ideal cleaning helper for your home. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Brush. Specially flagged bristles to clean even the most minute dust and dirt particle from the floor and ceiling. Strong body and soft bristles to clean with ease. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Mop. The self-wringing function ensures faster drying of the mop head, making it ready for the next swipe within seconds. The 360 degrees rotating head glides smoothly and turns easily for hassle-free maneuvering around obstacles. Compact and space-saving design, easy to hang, store, or tuck into corners after use, perfect for modern homes. Suitable for all floor types, safe to use on ceramic tile, hardwood, marble, laminate, vinyl, concrete, and more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Ceiling duster. Made of high-quality microfiber materials with new design stainless steel pole, does not rust and has a long live time. This telescoping microfiber duster with an extra long pole, can reach 100 inches when fully extended, easy to clean ceilings, cobwebs, walls, ceiling fans, and lamps. No more chairs or dangerous ladders to climb on. The microfiber head is flexible and bendable. You can bend it to any angles as you need. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sponge mop. This absorbent mop has a wringing device, which can wring the sponge head easily. Just pull the plastic at the bottom of the handle up and down to squeeze out the water quickly and easily, effectively preventing your hands from getting wet and polluted. The PVA sponge head helps you absorb water quickly, and the horizontal grooves design effectively removes stains and waste. You only need to soak the sponge mop and then pull the handle to squeeze out the excess water, which avoids direct contact with the mop by hand. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Vacuum cleaner. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. This vacuum cleaner is equipped with a robust and energy-efficient 600W motor, paired with advanced Turbo Sweep technology to provide exceptional power and performance in a compact design. This 3-in-1 device functions as both a vacuum and mop, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. Effortlessly clean hardwood floors, tile floors, carpets, sofa and window grills. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Glass wiper. Made of premium quality material for long-lasting comfortable use. You can use wiper for cleaning kitchen, floor, car windshield as well. Window glass, cleaning wiper can be used dry or wet as per your conveniency. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Square spin mop. Keeps clean and dirty water in separate chambers, ensuring every mop uses only fresh water. Never mop with dirty water again. Cleaning essentials are designed for maximum flexibility. It easily reaches under furniture, along edges, and into corners for complete, dust-free cleaning. The scraping teeth on the bucket easily remove hair and debris from the mop, eliminating the need to clean dirt with your hands. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Broom. Finest quality brooms made from Mizoram grass for daily cleaning. This broom sheds less dust, dirt, or crumbs behind and enables you to clean the floors perfectly. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Flat mop. Versatility at its finest. A mop adapts to every surface: marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Spray as per your choice, clean as per your choice. Crafted from superior microfiber material. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Scrubber brush. Edges corner to clean dirt and stains from small corners of walls and floor. Strong and sturdy head for better cleaning. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Brush duster. Can also be used for furniture and electrical appliance cleaning, including windows, window blinds, keyboard gaps, desk stables, bookshelf, fan, picture frames, surface and corners. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Floor mop. The mop's design ensures that you can maintain cleanliness without direct hand contact with dirt or cleaning agents. 360-degree movement which allows you to clean every corner easily and effectively. Versatile cleaning. After wet cleaning, the mop's materials promote quick drying, preventing water damage to your floors. Suitable for various flooring types such as hardwood, tile, laminate, and more, providing a consistent clean across your home. Spin mop is a quick and easy way to collect dirt and dust that cannot be cleaned with a vacuum. Its microfiber cleaning technology quickly picks up dirt. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Sponge mop. This absorbent mop has a wringing device, which can wring the sponge head easily. Just pull the plastic at the bottom of the handle up and down to squeeze out the water quickly and easily, effectively preventing your hands from getting wet and polluted. The PVA sponge head helps you absorb water quickly, and the horizontal grooves design effectively removes stains and waste. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Leaf rake. Featuring an ergonomic 55-inch long handle, this lawn rake minimizes strain on your back and arms during prolonged use. The extended length is ideal for users, ensuring a comfortable and easy grip while raking large areas like backyards or gardens. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Microfiber mop. Features an adjustable mop stick that extends to your preferred height, reducing strain on your back and making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. The 360 degrees rotating mop head lets you clean corners, edges, and under furniture with ease. Ideal for deep cleaning around the house. Comes with a dual-chamber bucket for wet and dry use. Easily wash and dry your mop without touching dirty water, more hygienic and convenient. Product link is given in the 17th link.